Good morning. You are new here, right?
Yes, good morning. I am Anna. Today is my first day.
Nice to meet you, Anna. My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Welcome to the company. How do you feel today?
I feel a little nervous, but I am also happy.
Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
What is your job here, Anna?
I am the new marketing assistant.
Oh, that's nice. I work in the marketing team too.
Really? So we are colleagues?
Yes, we are colleagues now. We can work together.
A colleague is a person you work with, right?
Yes, that's right. And a good colleague can help you a lot.
I'm glad you are my colleague, Tom.
Me too. Let me show you the office.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
This is the kitchen. You can make coffee or tea here.
Okay, I understand. Can I use this kitchen every day?
Yes, of course. All the staff can use it.
Great. I like coffee in the morning.
Me too. Now, this is your desk. Your computer is ready.
Thank you very much. It looks very clean.
The IT team cleaned it yesterday for you.
That was very kind of them.
If you have any questions, you can always ask me.
That is good to know. Thank you, Tom.
Do you know where the meeting room is?
No, I don't know yet. Can you show me?
Sure. It is next to the kitchen. The door is blue.
Okay, I remember now. Thank you.
Our manager is Mr. Lee. He is very friendly.
When can I meet him?
You can meet him at 10 o'clock today.
Okay, what should I bring to the meeting?
You don't need to bring anything. Just bring a notebook.
Okay, I have a notebook in my bag.
Perfect. Mr. Lee likes new employees who take notes.
I will remember that.
Also, this is Sarah. She works in the sales team.
Hi, Anna. Welcome to the office.
Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. If you need help with the printer, ask me. Thank you, Sarah. I will remember that.
Sarah knows this office very well. She started 2 years ago.
Yes, and I still learn new things every day.
One more thing. Here is your ID badge.
Oh, thank you. Do I need this every day?
Yes, you need it for the front door and the elevator.
Okay, I will keep it in my bag.
Good idea. Now, let's go to your desk and start work.
Okay, let's go. I appreciate your help today, Tom.
You're welcome, Anna. Have a good first day.
One more question. What time does everyone leave for lunch?
Most people leave for lunch at 12:30.
Okay, good to know. Where do people usually eat?
Some people eat in the kitchen. Others go outside.
I think I will eat in the kitchen today.
That's a good idea for your first day.
Thank you again, Tom. I feel ready to start now.
You're welcome. If you need anything, my desk is close to yours.
That makes me feel safe. Thank you.
No problem at all. Let's have a great first day.
Yes, let's do that. I'm ready to work now.
By the way, what did you do before this job?
I worked at a small company for 2 years.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
Oh, I helped with social media and wrote short articles.
That's useful experience for this job too.
I hope so. I want to use what I learned.
I'm sure you will. Our team needs new ideas.
I have many ideas. I can't wait to share them.
That's great to hear. Mr. Lee likes new ideas a lot.
Good. I will remember that for our meeting.
Okay, let's start our work now. Good luck today.
Thank you, Tom. Good luck to you too.
Excuse me, Tom. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What do you need?
I don't understand this computer program. Can you help me?
Sure. What is the problem?
I can't open this file. It doesn't open on my computer.
Let me look at your screen.
Here it is. I click on the file, but nothing happens.
Ah, I see the problem. You need a different program.
Oh, I didn't know that. How can I get the program?
You can call the IT team. Their number is on your desk.
Okay, I will call them now. Thank you, Tom.
No problem. IT can help you very fast.
I hope so. I need this file for my report.
Don't worry, you have time. The report isn't due today.
That's true, but I want to finish it early.
That's a good idea. Early work is always better.
Hello, this is Anna. I have a problem with a file.
Hi, Anna. What is the problem exactly?
I can't open the file. My computer shows an error.
Okay, I can help you. Can you send me the file name?
Yes, one moment. The file name is Marketing Report.
Thank you. I can fix this in 5 minutes.
Really? That is very fast. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I will call you back soon.
Okay, I will wait for your call.
See? It is very helpful here.
Yes, they are. I feel better now.
Do you need help with anything else?
Actually, yes. Can you show me how to use the printer?
Sure, no problem. Follow me.
Thank you. I don't want to ask Sarah again today.
Don't worry. We can all ask for help. That's normal here.
I like that. It makes work easier.
This is the printer. First, you press this green button.
Okay, I press the green button. What's next?
Then you choose your file on the screen.
I see it. Can I choose more than one page?
Yes, you can. Just type the number of pages here.
Okay, I understand now. Thank you for your help, Tom.
You're welcome. Asking for help is not a bad thing.
I agree. I feel more confident now.
Good. That's how we learn new things at work.
You are a very good colleague, Tom.
Thank you, Anna. You are a fast learner.
I try my best every day.
That's a great way to start a new job.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course, go ahead.
How do I book the meeting room for next week?
You can use the calendar on your computer.
Oh, I saw that program. I didn't know what it was for.
Yes, you can click on a room and choose a time.
That sounds easy. Can I try it now?
Sure, let's try it together.
Okay, I click here and choose the room. Is this right?
Yes, that's right. Now choose the date and time.
I chose Monday at 11 o'clock. Is the room free?
Yes, it shows the room is free at that time.
Great, I booked it. Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome. Now you know how to do it yourself.
Yes, and next time I won't need to ask.
That's the idea. But you can always ask if you forget.
Thank you, Tom. You explain things very clearly.
I'm happy to help. That's what colleagues are for.
Good morning, Anna. Did you finish the printer task?
Yes, I did. Tom showed me how to use it yesterday.
Great. The printer can be tricky the first time.
It's easy now. I printed 10 pages this morning.
Good job. Are you ready for your first busy day?
I think so.
I already feel more comfortable here. That's wonderful to hear.
This office gets easier every week. I believe you. Everyone has been very patient with me. We remember our first weeks too. It's normal to need help. Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate that a lot.
Anna, can we schedule a meeting for this week?
Sure. What is the meeting about?
We need to talk about the new marketing plan.
Okay. When can we meet?
How about Thursday at 2 o'clock?
Let me check my calendar first.
Sure, take your time.
I have a meeting at 2 o'clock on Thursday already.
Oh, okay. Can we meet at 3 o'clock instead?
Yes, 3 o'clock is fine for me.
Great. I will schedule the meeting for 3 o'clock.
Where can we meet?
We can use the small meeting room.
Okay, the one next to the kitchen?
Yes, that's the one.
How long is the meeting?
It is 1 hour from 3 to 4.
Okay, that works well for me.
Should we invite Sarah too?
Yes, I think that's a good idea. She knows sales very well.
You're right. I will send her an invitation too.
Should I prepare anything for the meeting?
Yes, please bring your ideas about social media.
Okay, I can prepare some ideas tonight.
Perfect. That will help the meeting a lot.
Do we need a projector for the meeting?
Yes, we do. I can bring my laptop.
Okay, I can bring some printed papers too.
Great idea. Some people like paper more than screens.
That's true. My father still likes paper too.
Mine too. Okay, so the meeting is on Thursday at 3.
Yes, Thursday, 3 o'clock, small meeting room.
Perfect. I will send you a reminder email today.
Thank you. I will check my email later.
Also, can you send Sarah the topic before the meeting?
Yes, I can send her a short message now.
Great. That will help her prepare too.
I hope the meeting goes well.
I think it will. Your ideas are always good.
Thank you, Tom. That means a lot to me.
You're welcome. Teamwork makes meetings easier.
I agree completely. I like working with you and Sarah.
We like working with you too, Anna.
Okay, I will see you at the meeting on Thursday.
See you then. Have a nice afternoon, Anna.
You too, Tom. Thank you for scheduling this meeting.
One more thing. Can we schedule a second meeting for next month?
Sure. What is the second meeting about?
We can talk about the results of our marketing plan.
That sounds like a good idea.
How about the first Monday of next month?
Let me check. Yes, I am free that day.
Great. I will schedule that meeting too.
Should we invite anyone else for that meeting?
Yes, maybe Mr. Lee should join us.
Good idea. I can send him an invitation.
Perfect. Thank you for organizing this with me, Anna.
You're welcome. I like planning meetings with you.
Me too. It's nice to work with someone organized.
I try to keep my calendar clear and simple.
That's a good habit for a new employee.
Thank you. I learned this from my last job.
That experience is very useful here too.
I hope so. I want to do my best.
I can already see that. Okay, see you Thursday, Anna. Hello, this is Tom.
Hi, Tom. It's Anna. I am sorry to call you early.
No problem, Anna. What's wrong?
I don't feel well today. I have a headache and a fever.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
I think I need to stay home today.
Of course, you should rest and take care of yourself.
I am sorry about the meeting this afternoon.
Don't worry about the meeting. Your health is more important.
Thank you for understanding, Tom.
Can you send an email to Mr. Lee about your sick day?
Yes, I can do that now.
Good. He needs to know for the office records.
Okay, I will write the email right now.
You can also call him if writing is hard right now.
I think I can write a short email. It's not too hard.
Okay, that's fine too. Just let him know.
What about the meeting? Can we reschedule it for another day?
Yes, we can move it to Friday morning.
That sounds good. Thank you for understanding.
No problem. We can talk about the plan when you feel better.
Thank you, Tom. You are very kind.
Do you have any medicine at home?
Yes, I have some medicine for my fever.
Good. Drink a lot of water too.
I will. Thank you for the advice.
Should I tell Sarah about your sick day?
Yes, please. Can you tell her for me?
Of course, I can tell her right now.
Thank you so much, Tom.
You're welcome. Just rest today and don't worry about work.
Okay, I will rest. I hope I feel better tomorrow.
I hope so too. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you, Tom. That is very kind of you.
No problem. Get well soon, Anna.
Thank you. I will see you soon, I hope.
Take care, Anna. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Tom. Thank you again. I feel lucky to have kind colleagues like Tom and Sarah. A sick day is okay sometimes. I can rest and come back strong. Tonight, I will drink water, take my medicine, and sleep early. Anna writes a short email. Dear Mr. Lee, I am sorry, but I don't feel well today. I have a fever, so I need to take a sick day. I hope to feel better tomorrow. Thank you for your understanding. Best regards, Anna.
Good morning, Anna. How do you feel today?
Good morning, Tom. I feel much better now, thank you.
I'm happy to hear that. We missed you yesterday.
Thank you. I'm sorry I couldn't come to work.
Don't worry. Everyone gets sick sometimes. It's normal.
That's true. I feel lucky to work with kind people.
We are happy you're back. Are you ready for the meeting?
Yes, I have my ideas ready for this morning.
Great. Let's meet at 10 o'clock, like we planned.
Perfect. I will see you and Sarah there.
Sounds good. See you soon.
Hi, Anna. Can I sit here with you?
Of course, Sarah. Please sit down.
How was your first week here?
It was busy, but I learned a lot.
That's how it always is at the start.
Yes, I agree. Everyone here is very helpful.
What do you have for lunch today?
I have a sandwich and some fruit. What about you?
I have soup and salad. I like soup on cold days.
Me too. Soup makes me feel warm.
Do you like this office so far?
Yes, I really do. The people here are very friendly.
I'm happy to hear that. Tom is a great colleague.
Yes, he helped me a lot this week. He helped me too when I was new here. How long have you worked here? I started 2 years ago, in the summer. Do you like your job in sales? Yes, I like it a lot. I like talking to customers. That sounds interesting. I prefer marketing and writing. We can learn from each other then. I would like that. Maybe we can have lunch again. Yes, let's do that every week. That's a great idea. I will remember that. So, are you ready for the meeting today? Yes, I prepared some ideas about social media. That sounds great. I can share some sales ideas too. Perfect. Together, we can make a good plan. I think Mr. Lee will like our ideas. I hope so. I want to do a good job here. You already do a good job, Anna. Don't worry. Thank you, Sarah. That means a lot to me.
You're welcome. Now let's finish lunch before the meeting.
Good idea.
I don't want to be late.
We have 10 minutes. That's enough time.
Okay, let's eat quickly then.
This week was a good first week for you.
Yes, it was. I met kind colleagues and learned many things.
And you asked for help when you needed it. That's smart.
I think asking for help is important at a new job.
I agree completely. Nobody knows everything on the first day.
That's true. I feel more confident now.
You should feel confident. You did very well this week. Thank you, Sarah. I'm excited for next week too. Me too. Let's go to the meeting now. Okay, let's go. Thank you for lunch and the nice talk. You're welcome, Anna. See you at the meeting. Wait, one more question before we go. Sure, what is it? Do you and Tom eat lunch together often? Yes, we do. Sometimes Mr. Lee joins us too. That sounds nice. I would like to join sometimes too. You can join us every day if you want. Really? That would make me very happy. Of course. We like eating with new colleagues. Thank you, Sarah. This office feels like a small family. I feel the same way. That's why I stayed for 2 years. I hope I stay here for a long time too. I think you will. You work hard and you're friendly. Thank you. That means a lot to me. Okay, let's go now. We don't want to be late. Yes, let's go. Thank you again, Sarah. This was a nice lunch. Let's do it again next week. I would like that very much. Maybe we can try the new sandwich shop next time. That sounds fun. I like trying new food. Great. I will ask you again on Monday. Perfect. Now, let's walk to the meeting room together. Good idea. Tom is probably waiting for us already. Then we should hurry. I don't want to be late. Don't worry, we still have a few minutes. Okay, that's good. I feel calm and ready now. That's the spirit. You had a great first week, Anna. Thank you, Sarah. I'm ready for many more weeks here.